Welcome, love, to this week's guided meditation. Wherever you are, lying down, sitting tall, walking slowly through a quiet space, let yourself settle in. Take a deep breath in through the nose and exhale softly through the mouth. Feel your shoulders drop just a little. Feel gravity meet your spine, your hips, your heart. This space is for you, for your reclamation, for your soft, steady return to center. Here your body is your temple, your breath your compass, your presence is your activism. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to fix or change or understand. Just let yourself be. Breathe in through the soles of your feet. Feel the earth beneath you, alive with memory and wisdom. Let her hold you. Visualize gentle roots growing from your tailbone, anchoring you into the ground. They spiral down, deep and wide, strong and supple. This is your connection to Source in matter, to life itself. As you breathe, feel your hips, your thighs, your belly softening. This is not collapse. This is sacred surrender, a yielding to truth, a homecoming to what has always been yours. Let the earth remind you, you are safe to receive. Bring awareness to the space around your heart. Is it tight, wide, numb, alert? No need to change it, just notice. Breathe into it like a gentle tide washing over stone. Place a hand over your heart and one over your belly, and whisper to your body, I am here with you. I am listening. I will not abandon you. Now imagine warm, honey-like energy being poured through the crown of your head, slow, golden, rich. It travels down your neck, your shoulders, your arms, your chest, melting tension as it flows. Let the breath follow it. Let your system settle. You are allowed to feel good. Drop into your hips, into your womb or hara, into the space behind your navel where knowing lives. This is the seat of your power, not force, but presence, not control, but choice. As you breathe here, feel yourself becoming a living altar, your spine a pillar, your breath a bell, your being a blessing. Say inwardly or aloud, I reclaim my body as holy. I reclaim my experience as divine. I reclaim my sovereignty with grace. Now bring forward anything that has been pulling you out of yourself. A relationship, a fear, a projection, a should. Let it all appear before you. You don't need to resist it, just see it. Can you look at it with softness? Not to fix, but to witness. Breathe deeply and say, I see you. You are part of the path, and I am still whole. This is not about perfection, it's about permission. Every time you return to yourself, every time you soften into your truth, that is the revolution. Let everything go for a moment. Sink into stillness. Allow the silence to rise like mist. This is the center. This is the place your soul always knows. Breathe here. Rest here. Feel the quiet pulse of life beneath your skin and let it anchor you. Now imagine your heart as a soft, radiant field. Let it open. Let it open to receive. Let source pour into you. Golden light, rose light, electric blue light. Receive the support of the universe. Receive the love your ancestors dreamed for you. Receive the ease your inner child prayed for. Say, I am safe to receive. I am open to miracles. I am a conduit of love and light. Visualize a version of yourself, radiant, grounded, powerful, walking toward you. They are already living in alignment. They are already home in their truth. What do they look like? What are they wearing? How do they move? Let them come close. Let them speak to you. What is their message? Pause here and listen. Now breathe that version of you into your body, into your bones, into your walk, into your way of being. This is your truth. Call in a guide, an angel, an ancestor, a beloved spirit animal, or source itself. See what arises. Notice what you witness. Invite them to place a hand on your heart. Let them whisper something to you, a phrase, a symbol, a frequency. Let it land. Breathe it in. This is your divine remembrance. Beginning your return, wiggle your fingers, circle your shoulders, touch your heart. Bring your awareness back to the room, but let your truth stay wide. Inhale gently, exhale with gratitude. Whisper to yourself, I return to my center. I choose softness. I live sovereign and sacred. Thank you for being here today, sweet one. Namaste.